Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the hi-hat train.
Beatbox.
The hi-hat train or the trap hi-hat is a really cool sounding tongue roll which is used mainly in trap routines by many beatboxers. And before you try to learn this sound, I expect you to learn the tongue roll, and if any of you guys don't know to do the tongue roll, check out my tutorial link in the description below, learn the sound and then get back to this tutorial. And after you guys have the tongue roll broken down, the next step is to position your tongue where you would do the hi-hat and then do the roll, like instead of and after you guys are able to do this sound, the next step is to add an F sound along with the other two steps to get the hi-hat train, like and after you get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be and an intermediate pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with the sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.